Hey everybody, it's Kayleigh, and this is my husband Paul. Say hi, Paul.
Hello.
So we are going to actually do a cooking demonstration video. We're going to show you how to make a nice and easy, healthy meal for you and your family. What are we going to be making today, Paul?
Salmon.
Salmon?
Wild caught, not farm raised.
Nice. All right, so let's get started. What's our side going to be?
Green beans with soy sauce and garlic.
All right.
All right, we have one full fillet here. It's a 1 pound fillet of salmon. Lots of lemons, and we'll be using olive oil, garlic, dill weed, Old Bay seasoning, and if you like a little bit of spice, you can add the crushed red pepper. If not, you can do without that. First thing you'll want to do is take a paper towel and just pat it dry, the salmon fillet. You just want to get that moisture off there so that all the ingredients will stick to it better. And we're going to be using a pellet smoker. I'm going to go hot and fast. You can do it on a grill. We're going to go about 375 degrees. So grilling it would be just as fine. So after you pat it dry, the first thing you'll do is take a little olive oil and just go across it. Just spread it all around. This will help stuff stick to it and give it a little bit of crispiness. All right, second thing, I cut up some lemons in half here. You'll just take them and just squeeze them right on top. I did 2 full lemons. You can do however many you want. And you'll see the seeds are squeezing out. You'll want to get rid of them, throw them out. Then the next thing, I'll do the dill weed. You're just going to take this, sprinkle it on. And then next, just do a little bit of the Old Bay. And then, like I said, you can use the crushed red pepper if you want to add a little bit of spice to the fish. We like stuff spicy, so we put it on pretty good. And then last will be the garlic. This is just chopped up garlic here. Just put it on, spread it. And then what we'll do when we cook, we'll take these lemon slices and we'll set them right on top. So next thing we'll do is we'll fire it up and get it preheating, and we'll throw it on there for you.
Okay. And here is our dog, Nikki. She's supervising, making sure we're doing everything right. Up and getting started.
All right, we got the grill here up to temperature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw it on skin side down. And if you have a meat thermometer, put it in, and we're gonna cook it to about 130, 135 degrees. It should take about 15, 20 minutes.
What do you recommend for people who don't have a thermometer? Ah, we forgot the lemons.
If you don't have a meat thermometer, you can just go by color or just time it. I mean, it's gonna, if you do it for 20 minutes, that's gonna be plenty.
Looks so pretty. So while the salmon is cooking, we can actually do the green bean side, which also takes about 15 minutes, so they would both finish at the same time.
All right, to start off, I'm just gonna use a skillet here. We'll use medium heat and some olive oil. Let it preheat a few minutes. Spread that around so nothing sticks. You want to get this hot before you put anything in so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the skillet. All right, now that it's hot, we'll go ahead and put the green beans in. Just kind of saute them a little bit. And what we'll do is we'll take a little bit more oil, splash it on them. And then take the chopped garlic. Don't be afraid to use a lot of this because it goes pretty far. Just sprinkle it all around. And just mix it around a little bit. Then as we get close to being done, we'll take the soy sauce and sprinkle it on it. Just gives it some better flavor. This will probably take about 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. You just keep mixing it every few minutes to get that garlic and the oil splashed all around it.
Mikey, are you helping? What you got there? You got the green bean bag?
Alright, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So we'll just take the soy sauce, sprinkle it all around for about the last 5 minutes. This just adds a little bit more flavor to it. Just do that, mix it up. About another 5 minutes, these will all be finished. All right, we're all ready to take it off. There it is. Pull that off. Lemons. Now you can leave them on. Use 2 spatulas with the big fillet. Just get under it. Put it on the cutting board there. Slide the lemons off. And there it is, all done. You should take a fork. Should go in there and just flake right up, just like that. Perfect. All right, and there you have it. Green beans and salmon, all finished, ready to go.